This is exercise 2.26 from Roxy Peck's first edition. It's out of section 2.3. This is from an article in USA Today that gave the following data on median ages for each of the 50 U.S. states and the District of Columbia. So we're asked to construct a stem and leaf plot. And the data down here is just a list of all the states and the median age of all the people in all the states, including Districts of Columbia. So let's go ahead and use JMP. Here I've got the data in a jump data table. To get the stem plot, it's super easy. Just go up here to Analyze, click on Analyze, and then Distribution. We want to take the age median and double click or drag that over to the Y column, and then just hit OK. So that brings up this window, which has the histogram and the box plot. It also gives us quantiles and the summary statistics. I'm just going to get rid of those for a second here just by clicking on these triangles. If you want to get the stem plot, just come over here and right click on the red down triangle and then check stem plot, and boom, there's your stem and leaf plot. One thing you may want to do is take a screenshot of this and then crop the stem plot to paste into your report or your homework. So then maybe I want to take a screenshot and crop that in Paint. That's possible. Just have to come up here and click on Select, and then select the area that you want to crop as your image, then press Crop, and boom, we're done. Just save that and import that into your file.